Right, I was going to do one episode, but the work's changed a bit regarding this bell I brought down yesterday, as it is day number 2 now. And what I was going to do, that machine was going to be turned around and then I was going to take it elsewhere, but in the meantime I've got to go back up and get another bell. So that's what we're going to do. That's where we're heading off now. We're heading back up to Shrewsbury after tipping that in Chepstow, and while that machine's getting ready, we're going up and picking up the next machine. Oh, the joys. Look at this traffic. Nice. Oh well, nothing we can do. Don't really notice how deteriorated the concrete is on the inside when you're coming through here at a bit of pace. The landslides just here. This is all it is. I say all it is a few tonnage here which has slipped, and maybe they're expecting a bit more the slide or what, I don't know. But you know, I don't know what it is. I know it's I'm on the quarries quite a bit, like that doesn't look nothing, you know what I mean? That's nothing compared to what you see in the quarries, like. But yeah, this lane has been shut now for some time, like, because of it. Maybe they're expecting further movement, I don't know. Probably got to do surveying of the area or something. Bit of mobile road works here. Digging a hole. Don't see many of them on the roads nowadays. Combine. Something a bit different. Of a pub bar, isn't it? We are at Beeston Hill again. Chuck the beacons on. Going in to collect the other B30 now. Look at that, about the load, and it is proper peeing it down. Looks like I'm going to get wet. Get there. With an air leak on the seat, I think. Now there's a button on these, and wait for the light to stop flashing. Ring green now. Trouble is you sit slightly off to the right on these, so you've got to try to find something which is straight. Because you're slightly sitting on the right hand side. You're not dead centre. So it's best to have somebody watching you on. The auto brakes on these. So I'm kind of lining up the two stickers in front of me with the centre of the trailer as well. Put in neutral, leave it come off. The bracket brake on, make sure that's on. It's on in there. And then we can shut everything down just by pressing the stop button, and then the turbo will have a wind down of 20 minutes. So we don't want to be doing that. So we press and hold to stop. And it'll shut it off then. So that's how we load it. And we'll put the isolator off on the outside then ready. That's all that chain down. Ready to go. Bell will be 30 then. So we get changed and we get moving. So that's us leaving the quarry now. I'm going to pull around the corner and get some have some lunch, I think, because I am starving. Let's go and get some, pull up here and get some dinner. There we are. So we got this truck on our back here, and we got an ambulance coming up behind us. The coming around. Start going again. Just back up the pace. It's another lay-by further down. We'll call in there and lunch and have lunch down there. Like. So it's nice, nice wide one. Pull in there. We're not causing obstruction. One is very, very parched at the moment. With a train coming past, I think. That's the two bells done over the course of 2 days. Bit different to a normal video, normally just show you one machine, but I thought considering this 2 bells, it's a bit boring having 2 consecutive bells doing exactly the same move, so I thought we'd include it into one video and see how that progresses. So that's everything from this one. Thank you very much for watching. See, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do subscribe. It really helps the channel out, it really helps me out, and it also helps you out as well, because when I post new content, it's going to let you know that I've released new content. So that's I'll make sure then that you never miss any of my new videos, which is also a bonus. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like, smash a comment down below as well. You'd be really much appreciated. Until next time, catch you all again. Bye bye.